In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Tasks in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Tasks or simply need a refresher on how to access it efficiently, you've come to the right place. Google Tasks is an amazing tool for managing your daily tasks, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your assignments. So, let's jump right in and get started. First off, navigate to Google by typing www.google.com into your browser's address bar. Google's homepage is the gateway to accessing a myriad of services, including Google Tasks, so this is where our journey begins. Once you're on Google's homepage, your next action is to sign into your Google account. You can do this by locating and clicking on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. This is a crucial step because accessing Google Tasks requires you to be logged into your Google account. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with the Google account you intend to use. Whether it's for personal or professional task management, using the correct email will ensure you're accessing the right workspace. Next, after entering your email and clicking the next prompt, you'll need to input your password, ensuring that it matches the email you've just entered. Your password is the key to your account's privacy and security, so type it carefully. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is highly recommended for additional security, you'll need to complete that step as well. Once you've successfully entered your password, click on Next. This action confirms your credentials and logs you into your Google account, effectively bringing you one step closer to accessing Google Tasks. Following your account sign-in, direct your attention to the Google dashboard. This can typically be done by clicking on the Google Apps icon, a grid of dots usually at the top right corner near your profile picture, and navigating to your desired service. However, for the purpose of finding Google Tasks, we need to make a slight detour. Click on Gmail from the options provided. That's right, Google Tasks is closely integrated with Gmail, making it extremely convenient to manage your tasks alongside your emails. Upon accessing Gmail, direct your gaze to the right sidebar of the Gmail interface. Here you should spot several icons representing different Google services that are integrated into Gmail, including Calendar, Keep, and importantly, Tasks. The icon you're looking for is a distinctive blue check mark, the universally recognized symbol for tasks or to-do lists. Clicking on this blue checkmark icon opens up the Google Tasks interface right within your Gmail window, and just like that, you've successfully found Google Tasks. This sidebar feature allows you to view your tasks, add new ones, or check off completed tasks without ever leaving your Gmail, streamlining your productivity and ensuring that your tasks and communications are seamlessly integrated. Remember, Google Tasks is not just limited to your desktop or laptop. You can manage your tasks on the go by downloading the Google Tasks app on your mobile device, available for both Android and iOS. This means your tasks can be synchronized across devices, allowing you to stay organized no matter where you are. In summary, finding and using Google Tasks is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your organizational workflow. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your tasks are always at your fingertips, ready for you to tackle. Remember to explore various features within Google Tasks, like creating different lists for separate projects, or integrating your tasks with Google Calendar for better time management. Thank you for watching this tutorial. By now you should be well on your way to mastering Google Tasks and bringing a new level of organization and efficiency to your daily routine. Happy tasking!